We are gonna go meet up with Blake from Blake's Garage, and I am almost at 50,000 miles. Shut up. Oh man, that's bright. All right, we're just heading over to the park. We got my buddy Blake. He is in town visiting, so we're gonna go meet up with him. And yeah, it's been a while since I've seen him. Say what up, Blake.
What's up, guys?
There you go. So he's visiting from California, actually from my hometown, Sacramento area. You guys have seen him on his channel ripping his Audi on track not too long ago.
Yeah, my wife also too, so
yeah.
She was ripping it too. Fun times. That's Rachel, she's in there. It's like 30 degrees out, so it's kind of cold. So.
Yeah, a lot different from California.
Oh yeah. Funny, because this was the first car I ever filmed with this camera.
Was it really?
Yeah.
No shit. Yeah. Holy crap. I remember, yeah, when we came down there.
We did it on the bridge.
Yeah. And that was like when we first started our channels, yeah.
Yeah, it was like probably what, 2 years ago now?
Yeah.
Something like that?
I think that was in 2015, yeah. Almost 3 years ago. All right, guys, so here we are with Blake's Garage. If you're subscribed to my channel, you're probably subscribed to Blake over there at Blake's Garage. He has his sweet Audi. He used to have a Subaru, but that's a long story. And he also has a awesome autocross and track BMW. But let me go ahead and introduce you guys to Blake. Go ahead.
What's up, guys? I'm Blake from Blake's Garage. I guess we'll just kind of show you the car. I do a lot of videos, if you guys don't know. Do a lot of how-to install videos and stuff like that. Also some racing, lots of autocross, and we've done a little bit more track videos in this car too. We've had 2 track days. I've been racing it, and also my wife, who's chilling in the car right there too, she has also been racing it, so you guys can check out some of those videos. But yeah, it's a 2017 Audi S3. So, sorry guys, not a Subaru, something different though. Check it out, it's not a Ford RS either, so you know, it's a really, really nice car. Yes, it's a European car. Yes, it's a little bit more expensive. But with that, I feel that you get a really good ride. You also get the magnetic ride in this car, which is actually very soft. It does have multiple modes, so that's really cool. Actually going to be doing some how-to videos on this. Picked up a rear sway bar, got lowering springs, and also got some front camber plates, so non-adjustable camber plates, but it's going to put a little bit more camber into this car, which is something that this car is really, really lacking. This thing did great out of Thunderhill, was actually able to keep up or even beat some Ford Focus RSs out there that were pretty dang modified, and also keeping up with a lot of WRXs and passing some of those guys too. So it did really, really well. As far as mods that are done to the car right now, carbon fiber mirror covers right there. This front splitter from Method Effects, this looks pretty good. Car has a black optics dynamic package, so it gets you all this black around here, all the trim, kind of deletes all that chrome, makes it look really nice. As far as the LED goes, we don't change anything because everyone copies Audi's LEDs, so you don't need to change the lighting on the Audis because they kind of paved the way for that. So it's got LED lights, and then, you know, kind of the original C's, and that's where everybody gets that look. But it looks really good. It's a 2-liter turbo. I do have an intake on it, carbon fiber Arma Speed intake, so it's a nice carbon fiber intake for the car. Wheels, right now we're sitting on these stock wheels. I do have a set of VMRs with Intia 1s on them that are great for the track. They do really well. This car, just with tires, it really rips around the track, so it's really fun. Brakes. I did put race pads on the car. I'm back on EBS red pads right now. This thing did great with fluid change. I put Castrol React RBF in it, and it did amazing. Actually so good with the race pads that I was able to cook the paint off of the race pads, and they still didn't fade. So these were red. That is melted red now. So you can tell the braking system had a bit of a workout at those track days, so it was pretty fun.
Put them to use.
Yeah, definitely. As far as other things go, not really anything else. It's pretty well stocked. Oh, very special. The Amazon $35 carbon fiber special right there. You gotta have one of those. As far as exhaust goes, it does have a resonator delete. That is a Audi factory part, but it does sound really good. and it does have a dual clutch transmission, so it makes some cool noises while banging through gears. And it's, as far as that goes, manual versus, you know, DSG. There is no DSG, or there is no manual option for this car in North America. So I don't know. I haven't missed the manual in this car. The DSG is really, really good. It's very predictable, and it knows how to bang through the gears. So yeah, overall a pretty solid car.
Yeah. And like I said, he used to have a 2014 Subaru WRX, but yeah, like I said, long story. We're not going to go over that right now.
Things happen.
Yeah, things happen.
Things change. I know a lot of people that have changed from the Subaru world, so
yeah,
don't hate conversion. Me, but
and you're not the first one, but
no.
You know,
and you guys are going to see some more of people changing soon. I bet on some people that that watch the channel or subscribe to a couple other channels. I bet you're going to see some other people changing too. So yeah, but they're very fun cars. The Subaru and the Audi are very cool. If you guys are kind of wondering why I went with Audi instead of maybe like Ford Focus or something like that, well, I've always really liked Audis. It was one of the first cars that I bought, was an old A4. I always wanted an S4, and the S3 is just a really good size. It was more that B5 size of car, which is a little bit smaller. It's, you know, it's pretty much the same size as JR's WRX over here. When you go with the S4, now you're kind of leaning towards that 6 Series or, you know, your 5 Series of BMW. So they get quite a bit longer, and I think this is a good compact little sporty car that rips around. And if you want to spend the extra 10 grand, get the RS3 and friggin' really tear up the competition. So yeah, it's cool.
But anyways, that is Blake. Go ahead and check out his channel. You can learn a lot from his channel. He has a lot of DIYs and all that good stuff on his channel. But yeah. Anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah. All right, guys. So yep, if you haven't subscribed to JR's channel, my WRX channel, click that little button down in the bottom there. Also hit the bell, and check out my channel, Blake's Garage, and talk to you guys soon. Later. Wrench on.
So it looks like I'm almost at 50,000 miles. I'm just short of a 3-year ownership, and here I am with almost 50,000 miles in 3 years. Not as much as some of you guys out there, but it's still a lot if you think about it. So I don't know how much is that a year. I would say in about 3 years ownership, but you get the point. But let's see if we hit it on the drive. So I'm at 49,999 right now. That's a one long mile. Oh, there we go. 50,000 miles and more to go. There you go. And most of that has been tuned.